And I went with Shockwave and laser for my patients because I feel like as a practice, we are always looking to evolve and stay current with what the latest science and evidence is putting out there that we might be able to better help our patients. And in the area that we are at, there wasn't anybody else that was doing this therapy. You could drive to LA, you could drive to Orange County, and you can get it done there. But why couldn't my patients in the Inland Empire get this level of service? And initially I was apprehensive because there is cost involved, but we've been blown away by the response of our patients, by the success that we've had, by the results that we've been getting from our patients, and the willingness for them to invest in their own bodies, because ultimately that's what it is. We want to invest in our own bodies and our own healthcare and taking care of ourselves. So why can't we, in our area, provide therapy and healthcare at the highest level? And that's what we're going to continue to strive to do at Marketplace.